This video is brought to you by ThunderbirdBob.com, your source for 02 to 05 Thunderbird parts. So I'd like to talk to you today about the heater resistor. So the symptom is that with the heater on, no matter what setting you put it on, the blower runs on high. Can also run potentially even without the key in the ignition or anything even turned on. So first, to show you the heater resistor. So this is probably going to be one of the most difficult videos I've ever filmed, just because of the proximity of where we're going to go. Now, normally the shop manual calls for removing the entire dashboard to replace the heater resistor. Once you've removed the dashboard, you need to take apart the heating plenum and get in there. So there is a workaround that is takes much less time. I think the shop time on normally doing this is 10 plus hours, which, as you can imagine, especially at a dealership, would cost you quite a bit of money. So what you have to do first is remove the heater blower cover and then the heater blower. And if you don't know, it's located up in under there. So I'm gonna try to get up in there and show you how to get at it, again, without removing the dashboard. Now, I don't know if you can see that resistor I showed you. As you can see, there's a piece that's been cut out of the blower housing. You have to do that in order to get to that resistor to move it out. So now this has been cut at this point, and I've got the new resistor installed. What I'd like to show you, if possible, is this is the piece that had to come out in order to get at the resistor. And again, the whole point of this is to do it without removing the entire dashboard. So I'll show you this piece. Yeah, so there you have it. I figured this is a rare opportunity to show everyone what's involved, and I'm actually doing this from my own memory as well, in case I ever have to do it again, which I really hope I don't. Thanks for watching.